I'm baking cookies for our winter fair. I started with 5 cookies in my jar. Every hour, I am able to bake 9 cookies. How many cookies do I have after 4 hours? And how long will it take for me to have 113 cookies?
What we did was that we made a tea chart and we wrote hours and cookies, and then we labeled 1, 2, 3, 4, and then beside 1 we wrote 14, beside 2 we wrote 23, and beside 3 we wrote 32, and beside 4 we wrote 41. And each time we added 9, and then we did hour times 9 plus 5, which equaled 113. And for number how many he had after 4 hours, we got 41.
Okay, so we gotta clear this one up a bit. So here's what they did. Okay, they made a tea chart. Hours, cookies. Okay, so now if I'm starting with 5 cookies, I can put this as hour number 0. And I have 5 cookies. Okay, so they didn't do that, but you can do that because you're starting with this. So after 1 hour, if I baked 9 cookies, I would have 14. So this is increasing by 9. After 2 hours, there's 20. Again, it's increasing by 9. 3 hours, 32 cookies. Increasing by 9, 4 hours, 41 cookies. That's increasing by 9. So now we can make this a simple input and output equation. And if we know it is increasing by 9, we would write hours times 9. Sorry, hours times 9. And then, if you look at number 1, which is 1 hour, times 9. 1 times 9 is 9. How do we get from 9 to 14? You add 5. So there is our equation. So we can use this information right here to solve for this one without making a T chart. So we know it's hours because it says how long will it take, so that means how many hours, right? Hours times 9 plus 5 equals 113, right? So if it's plus 5, we have to rewrite this. Hours times 9 equals, so it's 113 minus 5. Okay, and then you have hours times 9 is 108. So basically now what the question is asking you, it's saying a number times 9 equals 108. So what is that number, Ahmad?
12.
It's 12. So 12 hours. And then we can double check this. So 12 times 9 is 108. And then we have to do plus 5 equals 113. If I were to continue this T chart, I would get that answer. So if I were to continue it, it gives me the same answer. So if you create an input-output, it becomes a little bit easier.